Welcome to Scarborough.
We're in Scarborough?
Yep, we are in Scarborough.
Hello,
Hello.
gentlemen. How are you?
Good. Today, look at how beautiful it is behind me, Scarborough Bluffs. And I'm presenting Canada to you, to the world. Amazing view. Today is Saturday. Look on the left side. Nice boats. People are chilling and enjoying some quality time. And if you look on my right side here, as the camera moves here, the other set of people that are actually lying on the beach. Very beautiful, enjoying some family time. I'm standing by this huge mountain rock. Bro, can you turn the camera around and show the top? Whoa, crazy. How tall is it? It's like a couple of thousand feet. Very huge mountain, and I'm standing right here. So it's your boy KB. I hope you can enjoy this family festivities, and if you have anyone that you really want to take out, I think this is a beautiful place to come and take them. This is Scarborough Bluff. It's about 30 minutes away from downtown Toronto, the core. So I really admire this place. It's my first time here, and I'm actually enjoying the view. Look how beautiful. Hello guys. Yeah, enjoy. Okay. Bye. Hey, baby. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Hello guys. What's up? What are you guys doing here today?
We're just enjoying the day.
It's a beautiful day, eh?
It is.
And where are you guys from?
I'm from Toronto, but he's from England.
The UK? Yeah. No way. Yeah. You have beautiful stuff like this in UK? Or you gotta go outskirts?
Not as beautiful.
Huh?
Not as beautiful.
Oh man, have you gone to Niagara Falls?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where else have you gone?
Not many places. About there, yeah.
When are you leaving?
I'm not.
He's not.
Oh, you're staying? Oh, welcome to Canada, man.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, UK is beautiful in terms of the core downtown London, but in terms of nature and other things, Canada has a great venues.
Yeah, definitely.
So what's up? When did you come?
Like 2 hours ago.
And you live in Scarborough, or where do you live?
I live in East George.
Well, what brought you here then?
The beach, the sun. It's a nice day out.
It's a beautiful day. You came with your family or you came by yourself?
I just came by myself.
You don't have a family?
I do have a family, yeah.
So where are they?
They're at home. They don't want to go tanning.
They don't want to go. Wow. All right, man. Enjoy your day, man.
Usually I come with the family, but today,
Yeah, today you're just by yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Got from work, you know.
Yeah, I'm not mad at you, man. Sometimes you need your own quiet spot. Yeah, okay, bro. Welcome. What brought you here today? Huh?
Not bad. Good.
Are you from Toronto?
Yeah.
What brought you here today?
We live here.
Oh, you guys live close by in Scarborough.
No, in downtown Toronto.
Oh, okay. How long does it take to drive here?
About 35 minutes.
35 minutes. And this is your first time here?
No, it's my second.
Oh, nice. My first time here. It's a beautiful area.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, sir. What brought you here today? Why, what's up? You guys live in Scarborough? Huh? Ah, but it looks like it's broken.
Oh, you already finished.
Oh, what time did you guys come?
Time around 11.
Oh, okay. So you guys are about to go home.
Almost.
Beautiful. I came all the way from Brampton.
Oh yeah.
First time here. Where is the big beach? It's on the other side.
We are not from here, but it's that side.
I'm gonna go check it out.
If you walk over there.
All right, sir. Thank you. Come on, bro. What you saying? Where's the beach at? Yeah?
If you find it, can you let me know?
Swimming.
Yeah, I saw it on YouTube and I wanted to come check it out.
Yes.
Yeah, you guys going to the beach too?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Checking it out, huh?
Let's all take a walk then. Yeah. Still vlogging. Hello guys. What brought you here today?
Sorry?
What brought you here today?
Just it was pretty sunny, so we thought enough.
Where are you guys from?
From India.
No, but where do you live? Like, where do you live?
Toronto. Wellesley Street.
How long does it take to get here?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. You drove or you took the bus?
Bus.
Look how beautiful it is behind you.
Yeah, exactly.
It's amazing. First time here?
What makes you come here?
Somebody told me it's a beautiful place. It's actually my first time here.
Oh, so how long have you been here in Canada?
Oh, I came to Canada when I was 17, 1997.
So that's a very late time to come over here, like first.
You know what? It's different stages in life. Usually when you don't have kids, you're not interested in these things. But once you have kids and you want to take them away,
So do you put it on YouTube or something?
a little bit, man. But it's a beautiful view, man. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. As you can see here, this is the pond area that we are going to be going to. Hello, guys. Where are you guys coming from? Salamat, salamat.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Ate.
Careful you walk, the guys. Don't trip.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So this side here, it's a nice walk. Very beautiful walk here. And people actually stay here and take a lot of photos and pictures. And as you can see, people already staying over there, taking nice photos. So we're going to be heading towards where the mountain area is. It's a little bit steep, but you see the view. Very, very beautiful view. Look at the view on my left. Very beautiful view. And it's a little bit hard to get to that area. Yeah, but it's a nice spot. And just taking you through here. Hello guys. Where did you guys come from? Toronto?
Yeah, Toronto.
How long did it take you guys to drive?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Wow, you must live close by. I come from Brampton.
Daddy, why
It took me 1 hour.
we even know?
Yeah. Wow, so you guys first time here?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Very beautiful place.
Yeah.
Very nice. Look at this area. Very beautiful. This area here that I am is the beach area. And as you can see, people are actually really enjoying themselves and their time. Mountains right behind me. Yeah, let's take a little walk and see. Hello guys, how are you doing?
Yeah, good. Always recording. We're doing great though.
Doing good, eh?
Salute to you guys.
Yeah, man. Lovely shirt, man.
Oh, wow, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah. What time did you guys come here?
What time we got here in early morning.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, a little bit.
From where?
They were here before.
Okay, from where?
Toronto.
Oh, it took about 30 minutes.
It takes about 40, 30 minutes, yeah.
We came from Brampton, so it took about like
Oh, but Ransom is a long trip.
it's on the other side, yeah.
Yeah, I know. How long did it take you?
1 hour.
Yeah. 1 hour?
Yeah.
Was there any traffic? Did you encounter any traffic? People were not even here.
Minutes, not too much. Maybe 20%.
That's decent. That's
Yeah,
decent. So
yeah.
you left at a good hour.
Yes.
That's good.
Alright,
Because
bro, man.
otherwise, you would have been hell.
Yeah, for sure, man. Yeah. You guys are chilling, eh? Well, you allowed to smoke?
Yes, I can.
All right, man. Oh, cool. You enjoying yourself? That's good. Hello, guys. Good, man. How far are you guys coming from?
I live downtown Toronto.
Oh, how long did it take you guys to get here?
Half hour?
Okay. Any traffic or no?
No, easy peasy, buddy.
Is it? Yeah, I live in Brampton.
Nice.
Yeah. How about you guys? Same place? Oh, nice. First time here?
No, I've been here a few times.
Okay. It's my first time here.
Oh, how are you liking it?
Beautiful, man. Look at look at the mountains.
Your first time here, buddy?
Yeah.
How do you like it?
Loves it.
Yeah. He is having a good time.
Yeah. All right, man, guys. See you,
Have a nice day.
Yeah. Salamat. Hey, you guys. Kamusta? It's cold there.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's very cold. Another section of the beach with a beautiful mountain right behind it. I'm gonna give you a 360 view of the area. It's really a nice area. I recommend people come check it out with your families. Hello guys. Where are you guys from? Toronto?
No,
All the way from London area.
yeah.
Wow, it's a small town.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Brampton.
Brampton.
Yeah, so what brought you guys here then?
We booked my boat. We're headed on a little trip.
That's your boat.
Yeah.
And how far would that take you?
Well, we're hoping it's going to take us to Prince Edward County.
No, honestly.
Yeah.
And then where do you come back and park the boat?
In Toronto.
Wow.
We just brought the boat from Toronto to here.
I thought usually people just hang around here and then go back home, but you travel.
Doing a little bit of a trip.
Nice.
Usually we leave it, we just go back home with it, but
Yeah.
we're taking it around today.
Beautiful, man. You guys have a nice day.
You guys enjoy your day?
Yeah, I have my cousin moving down there very soon, so I'll be coming there.
Oh, perfect.
All right. Is there a museum there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
The Ron?
Yeah, I saw that on YouTube.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, guys. Take care. All right, bye. Man, are you okay?
Oh, hey, Goody, you coming?
Guji, are you gonna come?
Come on, Goody.
Come on, give it a try.
Come, go there.
Hello, guys. Are you gonna jump? Yeah, where you sitting is scary, young man. It's very scary, man. Look how far the mountain is.
I know. If you're all the way up. You guys, if you imagine if you just you're all the way up.
Here you watch.
Next time we come here,
Fly is a J. Fly is a J. Fly is a J. Oh no no, Betty. Atu atu atu. Awa awa awa. Atu. Awa awa awa. Atu atu atu. Awa